Quinta Jeff here, welcome to my corner and welcome to another open box review. Now in this session we're going to talk about Quinta Studios or Quinta Studios. It all depends how you pronounce it. I hope I say it right. Now who are Quinta Studios? Well, these guys are a Russian outfit that produces 3D decals. Now you might ask, what is a 3D decal? Well, if you're familiar with Edwards color zoom line, the photo etch that they colorize the instrument panels and all the cockpit detail, these guys up it a step because they put it in 3D printing. Now the word itself, 3D printing, there's a lot more detail, there's a lot more relief, and of course there's a lot more pronunciation of detail. Now I got these sets, I got these samples sent actually to me by Sprue Brothers, and when I got them and I looked at them, I was absolutely blown away with the level of detail. These things are absolutely just fantastic. You know, all you basically need to do is clean off the surface detail on your cockpit and peel these from their paper backing and put them in place. Now there are many topics, there's many sets out there already, and if by the end of this review, if you really are interested, then please go to spruebrothers.com and I'm sure they will have what you want. Now most of them are Russian subjects, but there are several that are American subjects, and I think there's even a couple that are done for the P-38 from Tamiya. So really nice. And the MSRP is between around $10 and $25 and everything in between, depending on the complexity of the set. So again, if you're interested, then go to Sprue Brothers. But for now, let's not lose any more time and let's see what's in the bag. And at the end of the video, I will put some close-up shots so you will see what it's all about. So stay tuned. This is very interesting. So I got two sets here. One is for the 148 scale Su-30 Mkk and the other one is for the 148 scale Mig-29. Now both are the same concept, it's the same deal, but since the Su-30 is a two-seater, they're the most colorful. So let's open this one up and see what it all entails. Now the first thing that you will notice when you take it out of the package is the level of detail. As I mentioned before at the intro of the video, the level of detail is just phenomenal. I never seen something like this before. It's absolutely just stunning. Even the detail, like there's a couple smaller parts that you have to glue on the side walls or even on top of the side consoles, but actually I'm lost for words. There is not much that I can say other than that I'm very pleased that there are still companies out there that come up with this stuff. You know, it keeps getting better, and it also allows a modeler who just started out to make their model competitive. So all you basically need to do is remove the surface detail from your cockpit tub and then give it a base coat with Russian turquoise, I guess, and then just glue these things on. Of course, these are decals, and first I thought that you had to peel them off, and I almost broke one. So no, when you read the instruction sheet, you really actually need to soak them off in a cup of water. So let's do this. I'm not going to ruin this here. I'm just going to try one piece here. Let's say we can soak off one of the. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to treat it like a normal decal and then see how it comes off and how it applies. Well, after about 15 seconds, let's see what happens. And yeah, here it is. Now I don't have a cockpit tub handy. I'm just going to glue it on the back of a plastic kit that I have laying around. And there it is. So you can treat this the same way as you treat a normal decal. Now they did say on the instruction sheet that some super glue might be handy to keep close. Maybe if it really doesn't glue very well, that you have to help it a little bit with super glue. But from what I understand, you just put it in a cup of water, wait about 10-15 seconds, and then just pull it out and apply it like a normal decal, and then that's what it's all about. But other than that, again, I will let the images speak for themselves. There is not much that I can add or say about this. This is just as good as it gets, as I used to say. So If you want one of these, you know where to go. Pro Brothers has them. Other than that, please like and share us on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube, of course. And most importantly, go to our website at www.jeffvscornerstore.com for all your future purchases. So, but for now, I'm going to leave it at that. I'll see you guys next week again for a Quick Tip Tuesday, or on Sunday night at 7 p.m. Central Time for a live. But for now, Jeff V here signing off.